Hey guys, so for today's video I have a little clothing haul for you guys. I don't have an excessive amount of stuff, but I did pick up some stuff recently from a couple of different stores and I just thought I would share them with you guys today. I'm so excited for spring. It's so gorgeous outside today and I'm just really happy that it's going to be warm again and I'm just so excited. So I wanted to show you guys some of the clothing items that I picked up and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They'll be linked in the description box and we're just going to go ahead and get started with this little spring fashion haul. I will of course be trying all of these items on in this video so you can see how they look on me. So like I said, I don't have a ton from each store. I'm going to start out with Romwe just because I got a couple of tops there. They have the cutest tops and I know they're cheap. There's definitely pros and cons to online websites like Romwe and Shein and places like that, but they just have the cutest stuff. So I feel like if you play it safe and you get items that aren't going to be, you know, as dangerous or as easy for them to mess up, then it's a pretty good place to shop for stuff like that, I would say. So I just got two tops from the site. I'd never bought anything from there before, so I just wanted to try it out. So the first top is this really cute little bicycle top. This is just a simple white t-shirt and it has this really adorable little bicycle on the front. And the thing that I thought was so cute is that I don't know if you can tell on camera here, but the wheels are little lemon slices. I just thought that's absolutely adorable. I don't have a lot of like graphic tees, I guess you could say, or something with like a picture on it like this. And when I saw this, I couldn't resist it. And I really wanted to get something like that from their site because they have so many cute tops like that with like a cute little saying on it or a little picture. They have like these little plant tops that I think are absolutely adorable. So I wanted to get something with some kind of picture or graphic on the front, and I just thought this was the perfect top for this spring and summer, so I'm really excited. I've actually already worn it one time. Hopefully I didn't get anything on it because it's really hard for me to take care of white tops, but I just thought this was really cute. And the next one is a little crop top. This one is so cute. I love the colors in this. It's black and white little stripes, and then it has this light dusty pink color on it as well, and I think it's really perfect for spring. I think it's going to be super cute, and I'm really excited to wear this with some high-waisted shorts or jeans. I just think it's going to look great. And then from Romwe, I also did pick up a couple of accessories. I just got a pair of earrings and a necklace. Now, the earrings, I'm a little bit disappointed in these. This is what the earrings look like. I might try these on for you as well. We'll see, but I was a little bit disappointed in these because they are just, I don't know, they're a lot more cheap. I kind of expected them to be cheapy, but they look quite a bit bigger in person than they did on the website. So when I put them on, they're just like really aggressively large, and I'm not really sure if I'm a fan of that considering how cheap they are. So you can really tell how cheap they are because of how big they are, if that makes any sense at all. So I don't really know if I'm going to be wearing these. I like this style with like the fringe, but I'm just not a fan of how cheap these feel and how just giant they are. But then I also got a necklace, and this I'm obsessed with. This is this really cute star necklace, and it's not going to focus, but I'll probably try this on as well. And it's almost like a little choker necklace. It's like it's got the really short chain, so it comes up really high, and it's just like these little dangling stars, and I just think it's absolutely adorable. I'm super excited to wear this because I feel like it's going to be something I'll wear with a ton of different things if I just want to throw on a little piece of jewelry, because I feel like I don't wear jewelry and accessories as much, like enough, because I feel like I don't think about it, but I do want to start wearing more, so I just think that'll be a really easy piece to throw on. Okay, and then I got some stuff from Goodwill, which you guys know is like my favorite place to shop at recently. I have been really obsessed with shopping at Goodwill, because there's one like right by my house. It's a couple minutes down the road literally because we're right outside of town, so I just love going there whenever I feel like I want a few new pieces, and I got a couple of things, so I just thought I would show them to you guys really quickly. I just got a pair of spandex. This isn't really necessary to show, but I really wanted some to wear like under dresses this summer. I really wanted to wear a lot of dresses this summer and spring. I just thought it would be really fun change because I feel like I don't wear dresses that much. Sometimes I do like for, you know, fancy events or church or something, but I don't wear dresses enough, and I do love them. So I wanted to get a couple that I would wear a lot, and I still want to get more, but I'll show you the ones I got then. I'm getting ahead of myself. But I just wanted to get some of these for wearing under dresses and just for working out, whatever, you know, and they were cheap, so I got them. And then also I got this pair of shorts. These are Tommy Hilfiger shorts. This is what they look like. I'll show them on, of course, but I cut the bottom of these off because it was like, just like the traditional hemmed bottom, and I didn't think it looked that great. It was kind of like 80s, which I'm not against at all, but I just prefer the cutoff look. So that's what I did. I cut the bottoms off, and you can still see a little Tommy Hilfiger logo right there on the pocket, and then this little thing right here, which I think this is kind of cool. It's kind of like vintagey. But yeah, these are just basic high-waisted denim shorts that I'm sure I will be getting a lot of wear out of. I have another pair that I got at like the end of last summer, pretty much the fall, so I only wore them like once, maybe twice. So I'll be wearing those too, and I showed those in my last clothing haul, which I'll leave in a card up above and down in the description box. That was just a Goodwill haul. And I got another pair of shorts there as well. So I just feel like Goodwill is a great place to get denim shorts because they're so cheap and you can always find good ones for the style that I like personally. I also got a little accessory at Goodwill. I just got this little yellow belt. I thought this was so cute for like a pop of color this spring and summer. I just thought it'd be fun to wear with like a neutral outfit and some high-waisted pants and just throw on a little pop of color belt. I feel like my belt collection is going to grow because I just really have been loving belts as like an accessory lately, so I really like this yellow one and I can't wait to wear it. And then the last thing I got, guys, I'm not even kidding you, I died when I saw these. I almost had a panic attack. Just kidding, that's extreme. But I found these high-waisted like 80s mom jeans, and I have been looking for just the perfect pair of mom jeans that like actually fit me without spending 60 bucks at ASOS. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted a nice pair of mom jeans that didn't cost a fortune, but that were still really great quality, and I feel like they're so hard to find. Like, you can't find, for me anyway, I can't find the perfect like mom jeans at like Forever 21. Like, they have to be high quality for them to look right. I know that sounds weird, but I just feel like they look better when they're high quality, and these are super, super thick material. Like, these are intense thick material, and I just rolled up the bottoms because they were kind of long, and I just like how that looks when they're a little bit cuffed and slimmer right at the bottom. And these are by the brand La Blues. I'm not exactly sure what this brand is. I can't link these obviously because they're from Goodwill, but I will try to link all the other stuff that I talked about, like the stuff from Romwe and then the dresses that I got from H&M, which I'll show you guys in a second. But I just wanted to show you guys these pants. When I got these, they're completely plain, and I wanted to do some distressing to them, but I don't want to ruin them. I'm so scared that I'm going to try to distress them and like ruin them. So I actually just did some distressing right here at the pocket, like a couple different ones, and then I also did some on the actual leg, just because I wanted to do a little bit but not overdo it so I don't ruin them. Maybe when I'm more confident I'll do some more distressing to them, but for now I'm just going to leave them how they are. And these are super duper duper high-waisted. They're a little bit tight around my waist. I need to get into the gym so that I can fix that because I really, really want to wear these. And I know we're moving into summer and they're really thick and warm, so I probably won't wear them as much until the fall time. So maybe I can slim down the waist a bit so I can fit perfectly into these, because I am just obsessed with these jeans. Like, really, really, really happy that I found them for like $4 or $5. Yeah, really happy with those. Did I say I got dresses from H&M? I just realized that I think I might have. I got dresses at TJ Maxx, not H&M. I was planning to go to H&M, and then the H&M at my mall was completely being remodeled, and they had basically no women's section, so I was just like, whatever, I'm going to TJ Maxx, because I really wanted some spring and summer dresses for this year, because I just don't really have any that I like. My style has changed so much in the last like 6 months to a year. It's crazy. But this first dress, like I said, they're from TJ Maxx. This first one is this bright, fiery red dress. It's got these little spaghetti straps, and then it's one of those dresses that's like a midi length, kind of like way past the knees, and it has those big pockets in it, kind of like if you follow like Kristen Johns or Jess Conti. Like, I know a lot of other people wear them as well, but that's who I can think of because that's who I follow that wears this style of dress, and they look so cute. I'm obsessed with them. There were so many other ones there, like neutral tones, just so many different dresses like this that I wanted, but I knew I couldn't get them all. So I might go back later and get another dress like this in a more neutral color, but I fell in love with this red one and I really, really wanted it. So I did end up getting this one. These dresses are just really hard for me to find my size in because of the way they're shaped. I'm not sure what it is, but it's just a little harder for me to find my size in this type of dress, but regardless, this one fits me. I'm in love with it and I can't wait to wear it this summer. I know it's kind of bright and crazy. I do like more neutral tones, but when I see something with like a bold pop of color that looks really cool and different to me, I don't know, I fall for it. So the next dress, when I saw this, I literally almost did not see this. I was walking out of the store and I just realized when I was walking past like the last of the dresses in TJ Maxx, I saw this one row that I missed. And I was like, oh my gosh, those are like all the short dresses, because I had been looking more at like the maxi dresses and I could hardly find any short ones. So when I walked past the rack that had all the short ones, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to look, you know? So I went through one last time and I found this dress and I just absolutely fell in love with this dress. This is like the kind of dress that I had been looking for. Those ones that you see on Pinterest. You can follow me on Pinterest if you want to. I think it's still Tabitha. I think it's Tabitha Gingerich on there, because I know it was Tabitha Miller before I got married. I'm pretty sure I changed my name on there. So I think it's Tabitha Gingerich. And if you go on my style board, you will see that I have tons of this style of just like flowy dresses with kind of like this chiffon material and like pretty prints and these like low V-necks. And this one is gorgeous because it has all these buttons down the front. It's absolutely beautiful. These buttons are really, really hard to close, so definitely takes a while to get this dress on because there's buttons all down the front, but I could not pass it up. I just fell in love with this dress when I saw it, and it actually looks way better on the hanger than it does on me. I know that sounds kind of whatever, but just specifically this dress, I just thought it was going to look a little bit different on me. So I was kind of disappointed. It looked maybe a little bit weird in like this area, like my shoulder area and like the front. I'm just not sure. But I still love it. I'm definitely going to be keeping it because I really like this dress. I just feel like it could have looked a little better on me. Like almost like maybe a little looser, because I feel like it is a little bit more fitted than I expected. But I mean, it is a small, and I saw that when I bought it, but I thought it looks like it's going to fit me, and even though it's a small, even if it's a little bit more snug, like I wanted so bad, I could not pass it up, and they didn't have it in a size medium, so I got the small, and it still fits me. It's just not super loose, kind of how I expected. So anyways, enough rambling on about this dress, but I love it. So I'm going to hopefully get more dresses this spring and summer because I just can't wait to wear all the dresses. I just want to wear dresses everywhere this summer. But anyways, those are all the pieces that I got. I know it's not a ton, but I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up in the last couple of weeks. I just thought it would be fun to do a little spring clothing haul and get in the spirit of the spring season. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more fashion and clothing videos in the comments. It's something that I definitely enjoy doing. I really like to do just a bunch of random videos, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, whatever, you know. It's just fun for me to kind of mix it up and do different stuff. But let me know what you guys think about the clothing and fashion videos in the comments. Let me know if you want to see more of them. Maybe I could do a spring lookbook or something like that. Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe down below if you haven't already. You can follow me on my Instagram at Tabitha Gingerich. It will be linked in the description box, like I said. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.